Also in curves, a lot of new drivers will drive straight on the curb, literally going off the road. Or they'll panic and just stop in the middle of the road. And if you look at most cars, most people driving at or a little bit under the speed, that car is tailgating. The car in the left lane ahead of us. That's why they keep tapping their brake lights and tapping their brake lights. I see a lot more aggressive driving like that. Drivers tailgating, being on top of each other. I'm gonna have to get over one lane to the left. And the one thing that you can see, I really do check my blind spot. You see how they just cut over like that? Really dangerous. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the middle turn lane. And this is a protected left-hand turn. Left-hand turns are the most dangerous because you're turning across traffic. People run lights. And that's the biggest fear of all of us, particularly drivers and instructors, because beginning drivers overturn going in the left lane, they turn wide going in the right lane, or they don't look where they're going. And I'm scanning the intersection. See, they didn't have a blinker on. And then I turn and I'm going right for that double. Yup, man, that was a good turn. Okay, now I gotta get over. Try to signal early and often to let drivers know what you're doing. And I'm making a turn on this street. It's really hard to see. So I go in slow. I'm using the street sign and the curb to help me. If this brought you value, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. Bye.